Welcome to Learn English with JOJO. I'm making a vlog right now because my friend Maxime he's visiting from France, and we're doing some more touristy stuff in Chicago, like go to the beach. And so I thought I'd share that with you for those who've never been to Chicago, and so that you can get some immersion practice, and I'll write some subtitles. Yep, so we're at North Avenue Beach, which is a little bit north of the beach where I had the other vlog about a year ago with the drone. And it's a really nice beach. It's probably the biggest beach right now. There's almost no one here. And we're basically, I mean, it's not the most beautiful day. It's pretty cloudy. It's probably gonna rain later. But we're just trying to, you know, take advantage of the weekend. So Maxime is a breakdancer, and here's a video of him breakdancing a bit on the beach. That's how I started to breakdance, was because he was my host brother in Paris when I studied abroad in Paris. He was in the host family that I stayed with, and he brought me to a few breakdance classes. So that's where I learned a little bit of what I know. So yeah. Soloist is really good. Yeah.